Reed Hastings pivoted from a failed DVD rental idea to a bold streaming vision that placed flexibility and choice at the center of entertainment. Facing skeptical investors and brutal competition, he pursued relentless experimentation, embracing rapid iterations over perfect plans. A pivotal moment arrived when hardware delays and licensing concerns threatened the model, prompting a switch to original content and global expansion. By prioritizing user experience and data-driven decisions, Hastings transformed Netflix into a culture of experimentation and long-term thinking. Aspiring founders can learn to test, adapt, and persevere, turning early misfires into scalable breakthroughs.